Guys, welcome back to another episode of Honest Straightforward Reviews. I am super excited today to bring to you guys an unboxing of the AirTags that's just been introduced by Apple, and this is a very special one. It's by Hermes, and this one is their bag charm. Okay, alrighty. Now, without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. But before I do, I'd like to just quickly mention that this channel is completely funded by me, and this thing cost me nearly 600 Australian dollars. I'm just a normal guy who has a job to fund these things. I'm very passionate about this hobby to give you guys the right opinion about items. So if you guys appreciate that, it doesn't cost you anything. Just subscribe, it'll help out a lot. Alright. Now that's out of the way, let's look at the box. So that's the back, nice and minimalistic. Sides, nice and beautiful, guys. And look at that front, it's gorgeous. Okay. Now this is exactly the same methodology on the unboxing as the iPhones. You just pull on that and go bang. It just all falls apart and you can take it out so effortlessly. And it's so good to see because there's a lot of items that I unbox and you got to do this half an hour and you scratch the box and things like that. Now let's have a closer look at this box for a bit more appreciation. So as you guys can see, it's got a beautiful texture there, and the writing is nicely done. Okay, it's got black sides. Comes out effortlessly. Look at that. Let's put that there. Just like the unboxing that I did for the keychain, Hermes keychain, and the Hermes luggage tag. Okay, it's the exact same with this one as well. Inside you get the 3 paperwork, which is different to the normal AirTags. So you've got the safety and handling, you've got the regulatory stuff, and you've got the 1-year warranty paperwork as well. So it's basically very much the same. And if you guys want to look at the unboxing of the normal AirTags or the other 2 Hermes AirTags or a leather keychain that I've done, I've got that in the comments for you guys as well, okay, for your ease. Now let's get the box out of the way and look at this guy here. Now just like before with the other unboxings, you'll have the AirTags up here in this pocket and you'll have the other stuff down here. Now let's pull this out for you guys, and you'll also have a piece of paper with this in the back as well. Now looking at this, it looks matte. It would have looked nice if it was matte, but it is not. It's shiny. Okay, and the paper is something else as well. It feels like a bit more luxurious paper. Okay, put that there. And this is basically a little guide on how to, and trust me guys, it might look silly, but you didn't require it because I was having issues correctly putting in the items and things like that on the first try. So this is just basically peering it in, putting it in the pouch, and putting it around your bag. Alright, now let's first of all take out what's in here. Okay, so you've got the charm loop and you've got the pouch here. Let's look at that pouch. Nice leather there in the back. Hermes, okay. Let's look at this loop. It's got a beautiful yellow. That's really nice to see. It's very, very nice to see. That's very different. Okay. Let's get the Hermes out as well. Okay. That's the Hermes one. So the difference between the Hermes one, I'll open it up first, and you'll hear a little beep. That's just to let you know that it's good to be paired. So yeah, so it's good to be paired now. Now the difference between the Hermes and the normal Apple one is you get an Apple sign and that's about it, and a bit of writing. With the Hermes one, you get Apple and Hermes both on there. So that's the main difference. Comment below and let me know if you guys want to see a comparison between all of them. Okay, so this is how it goes into the pouch. Now once the pouch is done, I'm guessing this is how it's going to go. So it's going to go from the back. Yeah, going to go from the back. Probably sideways is going to be easier. Yep. Okay, we're through. Bingo. Now, while you're taking it out, all it's asking to do is actually do this and then pull on it. And there you go. That's the charm, guys. Okay, that's the charm, good to go. Alright, that's basically it for the unboxing. I'm really loving the two tones in the leather, the yellow and the saddle or brown or whatever they call it. Okay, I'm really loving that. That's really nice and elegant. And the leather's already showing scuff marks and things like that. That's what you want to see in good leather. Good leather does that, okay? Not genuine leather. Alright, so that's basically it, guys. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. I really appreciate you guys checking out the whole video. I'll be doing a comparison of all the Hermes one and the normal one with the keychains. So make sure you're subscribed, ring the bell icon so you don't miss out, and also give this video a like. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.